Hello, welcome to the Quilted Chicken Farm. Well, it's afternoon here on August the 9th, and I just checked my mail just a minute ago. I really didn't think I had anything because I'd put some packages in it, but I didn't know that today was the day that something was going to be coming my way. But I'm going to open that in just a minute. I got an idea what it is, and I'll show you in just a little bit, but I'll just talk to you what I've been doing. Yesterday, let's see, I didn't get on here much yesterday because I had a friend come and she was going to help me with bookkeeping. And I bought these books to help with my bookkeeping because I'm kind of slacking on that just a little bit. And she showed me what I need to do and how I need to do it. She's a retired book CPA, and so she was going to help me. And I had wrote 2 or 3 lines on this book back when I got it, quite a while back. But you want to show you how much I've done? I don't see anything, do you? So anyway, I come up here and my quilting machine has all my paper spread out on it that I've been going through. I'm going to catch up on this. I promise I am. I've been paying my taxes and been doing a lot of what I need to do, what I have to do, but then the little details I haven't done. But I'll get it. I will. What else did I do? Oh, this morning I left the farm and I went to the bank and the grocery store, the farmer's co-op, and I stopped and filled my truck up with gas. That's what I did this morning. Then I come home, we had lunch, and we're going to eat leftovers for supper, so I'm not going to have to make supper. But now, we're going to see what's in this box. This box comes from Sheryl. Now, Sheryl has sent me some pretties, just personal stuff that she made for me and wanted me to have. But I'll show you what this one is. Make sure there's nothing under that. What do you think's in here? Do y'all know what's in there? I'm just going to make sure there's... I know what that. The only thing under there is that Sheryl has reused the box. I reused the box, and Cheryl's reused the box. This box keeps getting recycled. Because there's the shipping label that I had used when I sent to Sheryl. Sheryl bought a quilt from me, and I sent it to her, and this is the little box I got it into. How I ever did it, I don't know, but I did. Now, we're getting there. Let me look at this real quick. Real quick. It's a pretty card. Cheryl's good with cards. Hi, Rita, my dear quilting friends, okay? Alrighty, I know what that says now. I don't want to lose that. That's important. Now, I'm going to stand up. I'm going to scoot my chair out of the way. Like that. Now, I'm going to show you what's in here and what I'm supposed to do with them. Can you tell? There's 2 of them. I've got 2 of them in here. Sheryl has sent me these quilts. This one's called Drunkard's Path. Isn't that one pretty? I won't unfold all of it, but that's pretty. Let me see, where did that paper go? And she's measured it. Oh, it's 92 by 108. That's a pretty big quilt. I don't think I would ever attempt a drunkard's path because of the curved seams on it. Let's look at that. I wonder who did this one. Sure. I don't think Sheryl made it. I think she said somebody else made it. But we'll go back there in just a minute and see what we can find for a backing for it. And there's one more. This one is called a Friendship Star, and it's 85 by 105. Now that one's pretty. Which one do I quilt first, and what do I put on the back, and what pantograph do I use? We'll have to decide. Friendship Star. I may put a star on this one. I may do a little star on this one. And this other one, now I may change my mind. And this one I may just put some little loops. Yeah, my pantographs are there and over there. Let's take these back to the back room and just hold up something that we think might make a pretty backing. Let's do that. The fabric's back here. Here we go. I'm just going to pick y'all up and take you with me. Here I am. Let me turn the light on. Now we have light. All right, I'm going to move that out of this piece here of a bolted fabric. That's all I have left. And I was thinking about maybe just quilting it into a little baby quilt, just myself, and seeing if somebody would want it. All right, let's move these. I'll put them in the shelf in a little bit. Okie dokie. What do you think? What do I think? What do y'all think? It's scrappy and it's got lots of colors. I'm seeing a lot of the blue. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I might use this one. That would be pretty, wouldn't it? And it's 108 inches wide. I think that's what I'm going to do. I think this is what I'm going to use. And I had this bolt actually before I opened up the store. I bought a bolt of that, and I've used a lot of it, but I really think that would be the prettiest on it. So I think I made the decision on this one. Let me get this back up. Now here's the other one. What are you seeing? You seeing the goals? Is the goals standing out to you? Drunkard's Path. It's got white. I'm looking. I'm looking. I've got another 108 up there. But it's more creamy colored, so I don't think I want it. I kind of think. I don't know if I've got enough of that or not. What about that one on there? What about that as the back? If there's enough. 1, 2. I don't think there's enough of it. Because it'll probably take about 6 yards probably to do the back. So it's going to take something with 6 yards. What about a pretty green? Do that one blue and this one green? What you think? Do you like the green? I'm leaning toward the green. Well, I think I've made my decision. Now I might change my mind on that one, but I'm not changing my mind on this one. That's what I'm doing on this one. This one, I'll do this one first and then decide on that one. Okay. I got other thing or two I'm gonna do. I was gonna show you what was in the box and what I'm gonna do next. Some of the work that was sent to me that I'm gonna work on. So I'll see y'all later. Bye for now.